Hello everyone, this is Will. Today we're going to do a very quick unboxing of the graphic card Titan V or Titan V. I don't know which that is, but and do a very simple comparison between this new very expensive graphic card between that and the GTX 1080. I didn't buy this graphic card from anywhere. We just applied for the to the NVIDIA deep learning program, and they just sent us the this graphic card. I don't know exactly how expensive it is. I think it's at least more than $2,000, and I bet not a lot of people have this graphic card. And we got it to do some scientific research, especially in the deep learning department. But yeah, that's that. I've already break the two seals here at the bottom, but I haven't opened the wrapper of the graphic card. So let's get into it. Okay, now I'm gonna open the box. Ta-da! There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put out the Titan V graphic card right now. Sorry that I only have two hands. Don't have any other people to help me. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. We're gonna put it aside and look at what's inside this box. Here's the NVIDIA book, instructions and stuff. I don't want to open them. And here is the, I think it's a cable. Yeah, it's a display to DVI cable, and that's it. So according to this information at the bottom, we can see that it is a graphic card with 8 gigabyte memory. Oh, I'm sorry, that's for system memory. So that's the yeah, that's the specs over there. But anyway, I'm gonna put it aside. Built by NVIDIA. Any other things? No. Here, nothing. Okay. So this is Titan V. We can tell this is a golden look, but this GTX 1080 is silver. And another difference I noticed that is the pen here. It has an 8 pen and a 6 pen, where GTX 1080 only have an 8 pen connector here. So I am going to open the wrap right now. Thank God I can open this with one hand. I'm so sorry about the this video. I don't think I can get it out like this. I'll be back very soon, okay, with another video together. Okay, now we have both side by side. This is the NVIDIA Titan V. You can tell there. This is NVIDIA 1080. The difference here is they have the exactly same connectors on the left. I think is display, HDMI, and another display. But the this one has an extra DVI connector. And on the back, let's see, there has their name, and that's the warranty, not warranty, the serial number. And do we have a serial number here? I believe so, yeah. Okay, so put it the front. The difference is that is obvious. Everything is the same except this logo here and the color. That's it. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna use this graphic card to do some gaming. and then some deep learning analysis. But anyway, that's the unboxing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.